Hello everyone and welcome back to the drT.com YouTube channel. Here with me in the showroom today I have the modern fixed round table Anfora, characterized by a beautiful sculptural base which recalls the form of a Greek vase, hence the name Anfora. This elegant table is bound to catch everyone's attention in a modern dining room and can be customized down to the finest detail and finish in order to suit your personal interior design taste. Let's dive in and discover all the details. Now, the modern round table Anfora is only available with a round top and it's always going to be fixed. And it's available in two sizes. So here we have the table with a 140 centimeter diameter. But if you'd like to opt for a slightly bigger table, you can choose one with a 160 centimeter diameter. And the Anfora table can sit between 6 up to a maximum of 8 people. Now, this beautiful round top is supported by the most characterizing feature, which is of course the sculptural base, shaped just like a Greek vase. And taking a close look at this base, we notice that it's more robust, more heavy, voluminous on the bottom, and then it's been carved upwards to form the slim neck, almost like the top area of a vase. And taking a look at the bottom section, we notice that it's actually cut at an asymmetrical angle, which is a beautiful detail. Now, the sculptural base itself is available in several beautiful materials, but let's first discuss this one here that we've chosen for our version of the Anfora table. So this is quartz resin, and it's a composite material made up of mainly quartzite, which is then mixed with resin in order to create a stone-like material. So the acrylic resin is mixed with different materials such as marble dust and quartz in order to create a material that resembles stone, almost a man-made stone, that can then be cooled at room temperature and carved in order to create a beautiful sculpture such as the one that we've made for the base here. Now, the finish and appearance of the quartz resin base can be adjusted and you can choose a texture depending on what mineral fillers are used. It must be said that quartz resin is a material that is commonly used for kitchen surfaces, as it is very durable, hygienic, stain resistant, strong and easy to clean. In the case of the quartz resin base, you can choose from 2 colors for this table. We have the dark gray shade anthracite, but if you wanted you could also opt for light gray. But the materials available for the sculptural base of this table don't stop here. If you wanted, you could instead opt for white Carrara marble, and in this case, the sculptural effect of the base is really enhanced, as it appears to be one of those beautiful white marble sculptures well preserved in a museum. It must be said that the process used in order to create a sculpture out of white Carrara marble is obviously much more complex than the creation of, for example, a flat slab of marble used for a tabletop, as a sculpture quite literally has to be created. And even though nowadays machinery and tools are used to help us, it is nonetheless a beautiful, beautiful sculpture and a true eye-catching element in any dining room if used for the base. When it comes to the materials available for the round tabletop, they depend on the material that you choose for the base. So with the anthracite base, you can opt for beautiful bronze tempered glass, or instead a top in white Carrara marble with a glossy or matte finish. Now, it must be said that while the matte finish is absolutely splendid, it requires a little bit more effort to maintain compared to the glossy top, as it is more sensitive to bumps, scratches, damage and stains. However, it is truly beautiful to look at and really does have the appearance of a well-maintained sculpture. With the quartz resin base, you can also opt for beautiful tops in peach blossom Carnian marble, which is a stunning, unique marble characterized by a light pink color, or instead Carnian Grey marble. Now, it must be said that all marble tabletops have a thickness of 2 centimeters, and this beautiful edge, which has a 30-degree inclined cut, which is a stunning detail. And here our top is in the Carnian Grey marble, which is truly beautiful, and it's characterized by this dark grey background with different shades, and then these striking white veins. And a marble tabletop is truly beautiful because no 2 slabs are the same, making each top unique. If instead you opt for the sculptural table base made from white Carrara marble, you can choose a top in bronze tempered glass or a beautiful option, canaletto walnut wood. And in this case, the top is 3 centimeters thick with the same beautiful 30-degree inclined cut. It must be said that the white Carrara marble base paired with the canaletto walnut wood tabletop would be a truly stunning configuration for the modern Anfora round table. However, at the same time, seeing as the quartz resin based options all have grey tones, and some of the marble options such as Carnian Grey marble and a little bit of grey also in the peach Blossom Carnian marble, allow for the creation of tables with a beautiful subtle grey tone. So the options are endless, and it's up to you to be the designer of your ideal modern round table. We've come to the end of today's product review on the beautiful table Anfora. If you liked the video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel if you'd like to catch other product reviews. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you next time.